Alright guys, welcome to Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. Today we've got a little unboxing and spec learning, let's say, of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. I'm actually really excited to open up this box right now. Let's see what we've got here on the box. Okay, so we've got all the specs on the back. This is the black model. There's the EMI, IMI. So let's get to it. So let's take out. Whoop. There we go. There's the first one. There's the second one. Oh. So what do we have here? Okay. So I'm guessing inside here are just the SIM remover, the pin, and the cable, charging cable, and some pamphlets or whatever they are. That's it. This is the black version. This is the 512 gigabyte with 12 gigabytes of RAM. The Fold 7 here is running Android 16 with One UI 8. Has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This is running the 512, like I said. Oh, that was nice. 512 gigabyte of ROM and the 12 gigabyte of RAM. There you go. That actually looks really nice. The camera does not do it justice, to be honest. Look at that. There is literally no seam. Let's switch this on. See if it's got battery. Well, I hope it does. So the inside screen is 8 inches and the outside is 6.5 inch. Maybe we have to charge it. Probably needs to charge. Oh, there we go. That's better. Let's see what else we have. So on the back, we've got the main cameras are 3, which is the 200 megapixel camera, the 10 and the 12. It's got an LED flash. Oh, that's nice. Let's see what that says. Is that they come on a different language? Okay. Let's go with UK next. Agree. Next. Oh, that is nice. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Right. So what else do we have? So on the inside, you've got a single 10 megapixel camera on the outside on the main screen. This is 6.5 inches display versus the 8 inches on the inside. It's running all the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4. Yeah, that's it. This is called the Jet Black, and I absolutely adore this. That's really nice. Let's take it for a fold, shall we? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that is nice. Don't know if you can see that. That is beautiful. Let's open it up again. Oh, did it do anything to the screen? nothing. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, that is so nice. Let's open it up again. So, on the top, we've got a speaker with your SIM card tray. Down the bottom, we have the USB. Don't know if you can see that at all. That's nice. And the speaker. On the side, on your right side, we've got your volume rocker and fingerprint reader. And the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint reader. Okay, this also runs Samsung DeX. It's got a 4400 milliamp hour battery. It's, when opened, it's 4 millimeters wide. And when closed, let's see here. When closed, it is doesn't say. I think it's like 8.5 millimeters when closed. Correct me if I'm wrong, I might be completely wrong here. Yes, so this is 215 grams, and I'm coming straight from the S24 Ultra, which weighs about 230 grams. So this is actually really, really light and beautiful. Oh my God. It's a titanium plate layer for display support. It's a dynamic LTPO AMOLED, Gorilla Glass 2 Ceramic 2, whatever that means. That's the outside display. And the inside display runs at 2600 nits brightness. Oh, that is gorgeous. Right, I'm gonna set this up and have a play with it. And I'll let you know how I'm getting along with it. If you like this video, leave a subscription down below, leave a comment down below, leave a like, let me know what you think, and have an amazing day. I'm gonna have a bit of a play with this now and set this up. Bye.